Hello everybody, this is Simeon here from the Swedish Homestead YouTube channel. I just hacked myself into Art and Bri's channel. I totally understand if you guys are disappointed not to see Art and Bri here, but I thought that I should put this message out here for you guys. All of you who are faithful to Art and Bri's channel and follow them, you guys know what has been going on with their house issue with the mold and all of that. So we reached out to them. I know a ton of you guys did as well, offered your help, and they have been so thankful and so blown away by all of this. But we wanted to check with them how they would like to proceed. And Alex and I, my wife Alex and I, we wanted to help them and set up a GoFundMe for them, which we have done. So you will find the description, you will find the information below, the link to click to that, and on the GoFundMe page to help them out to face this crazy gigantic challenge that they have right now. There you can see all the information, all the things that they are having to deal with right now, the costs and so on. So I just wanted to put this out here on their channel as well, so you guys are aware of it. And you know, it's never easy to ask for money, and Art and Bri aren't. We're doing this for them. So I know you guys wanted to know this. We've shared this on our Facebook page. We'll share it on our channel as well. And hope you guys can just help them out if you have the chance. If not, just share it, guys. Share it with somebody else. I know you all love Art and Bri, and so do we. See you. Bye-bye.